Hey all. So for this video, we're talking about list slicing. Now, slicing is um, a type of, it's a way of accessing a list so that you're just getting a subset of that list out of it to use. Now, and what it does is it creates a new list of just that subset of data that you've asked for. It does not actually slice anything out of the original list. What it does is it creates a copy of those items in a new list without actually affecting or changing the original list. So to demonstrate this, what I can do is some fruits is the name, the clever name, and then fruits is going to access the list, and we can slice it by putting the first index we want, which is going to be, let's say, the second index, which would be cherry, right? And we want to stop it at the fifth index, or the last index, which is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, it's going to be 4. So this should just give us, it's going to start at the second index and end at the fourth index, meaning it prints the second and third, or it'll store the second and third index in a new subset. So this is called a slice. So let's print some fruits. This is our slice, and it's just cherry and mango like we thought. Now, if you want to start at a certain index and then print all the way to the end, we can do that by just leaving off the stop index, cherry, mango, peach, like this. That does sound really tasty. If we want to include banana, we'll start it at the first index, which is banana. There we go. And just quickly add a note on, I did want to show you guys also that you can also do this for strings. So here my name is James. I am going to go ahead and say new name, slice, and then we'll do name. And my new name is just going to be AME. So we would start at the first index, which is A, and then our stop index will be the final one, which would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in this case. And so that'll be AME. And if I print new name slice, then this should give us just AME, and it's a string. There's actually a lot of list methods that also work for strings, so this is just another example. Let's get rid of that so it's not so confusing. The last thing I want to tell you guys about is using the negative indexes like we talked about before. So if I actually go ahead and refer to let's say the second, it still counts from left to right, but if I wanted to access a slice starting at the second to last index, then I could start it at -2 here. Mango peach. And do be aware that it still does move from left to right, even though we're accessing it sort of in the reverse order. So -2 needs to go to a sort of ordinally higher number. So this won't print anything, but if I do -3 to -1 as the stop, that should be, this is -3, this is -2, this is -1, so this should print cherry and mango. There we go.